What's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are looking at my slotcartrack again. This is like an update post. I painted the walls gray in here. They were yellow before and that was just horrific. I think the track just comes to life with the gray walls. It kind of matches the light gray on the track. I've built this track for like 1 year or something, but it was like 4 or 5 months of hard work, and the rest was like just thinking about how should I do it, and everything is just much planning. The track is like nearly 20 meters long, and it's digital now, so I have a lane changer over there and a lane changer over there, and I've also put in a pit lane here that turned out really good, I think. The buildings are from Magnetic Racing. I can really recommend them. They are just beautiful. They are MDF and I think they are laser cut, so you have to build them yourself and paint them, but if you prime them properly and just paint them very carefully, they will turn out really beautiful. I usually keep the garage warm all year round, just for the sake of it. So I've cut out MDF sheets. Like you can see, it has cracked a little bit, but it's sheets that I've cut out around the track and put it down. It turned out really good, I think, and yeah, it's a really snug fit here. It's like no space at all, as much track as you can fit in this table. But it's a lot of work here. And I had like 2 hours every night just being out here, and my girlfriend was like, go to sleep, you have to sleep. But I spent so much time here too late when I was supposed to sleep. But it's just fun when you are in the mood and you're just having ideas and you just want to build. It's like therapy for me, actually. But I think the track is like in its last stages. Now it's just having the time to race on it, actually. Just in my garage here, and I haven't been out here for like 6 months, and it's tragic. But the 2 guys that I drive with have young kids also, so we don't have a lot of time, and it's hard to plan to race. But I wish we could drive more often, but when the kids get older, maybe we can host some more tournaments and just have a great time. I think we can race like 4 cars now. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, please leave a like, and see you guys in the next one.